So, as you can see, got a Game Boy Pocket here. Not turning on. Well, put the batteries in first. And then maybe. Put the battery cover back on. And still nothing. Absolutely nothing. Roll the batteries, see if that helps. Maybe the connection's not good there. Nah, still nothing. Not even sound. That's a no. Let's try again. Here's Solar Striker. Probably one of my favorite games for the Game Boy. Put that in the back. Turn it on. Still nothing. Try rolling the batteries again. And here in a sec. Yeah, here. Still nothing. Contrast, volume, nothing. Absolutely nothing. So, let's start taking this thing apart. Take the game out. Take the batteries out. There should be 6 tri-wing screws around the outside of this. Mine's missing one, which isn't the greatest thing ever. Means someone might have been in here before. Not exactly something you want to see when you're trying to fix something, because that means they couldn't fix it. Here's a tri-wing bit here. So yeah. Try and have a safer place to put those screws to. I'm just kind of sitting them off to the side, but you may want to like get an ice cube tray or something to separate them out. And I'm looking at the power switch here and don't see like the top part. And I'll realize here in a second that there's not a power switch at all. Just give me a second once I get the board out. The 3 screws on the inside of the Game Boy itself aren't tri-wing. They're Phillips or crosshead screws. There are 3 down at the bottom. One's on the left side of the battery connectors. Yeah, I missed that one on the left. Oops. There's no power button. Like, at all. And the pads are not in the greatest of condition. Oh, that's not good. Oh, they're bias. Okay. So if I have to, I can... Right, are those bias? It should be fine. Actually add a little bit to that one pad because it looks a little destroyed. I might have to do some wiring because I don't really know where those go, but this pad in the middle does not look too healthy. Where's my solder? And I don't really see where the traces are going off of them because it's kind of destroyed. It may just be going straight to those vias, or vias, whatever you want to call them, but I really don't know. And what the? Does someone like grind the board down? I mean, it's on the ground, so it's not that big of a deal, but... What? Okay, just add a little bit of solder because I don't have any smalls and stuff, so... Just add that tip. I gotta have it at this angle. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna take this hoe. I'm gonna sit it on here. If it'll fit, yeah. And then actually, should we just take the solder off all those? It might make it easier. Let's try that, and if not, we can add some back. Okay, so let's just... From when they first built the console back in like the early 90s. And it is some strong crap, dude. I don't know what they used, if it was like 100% lead or something. I don't know, but it's freaking impossible. Okay, let's set you in place. Any way I can tape that in place? Okay. Time to find out if I'm worth flip this stuff. Oh, okay. Let's tape that down somehow. I don't have any Kapton tape. So, next best thing. Electrical tape. Let's just go ahead and set this on this part of the board, and then it's at where it's supposed to go, and tape that down. That might get a little easier, hopefully, anyways. And we're going to fine, it's just on the shielding. And then that ain't going nowhere. I take the tape off. So I'm actually gonna add flux for the first time in my life. What should I use to add it with though? Flux is actually, ironically enough, super corrosive. So you have to like clean it off when you're done. so that's not going nowhere. That actually helped a lot. Probably put a little too much in there. Be all right. If this, honestly, if like this works, I will be genuinely impressed. Well, time to find out. Gonna clean that off with some alcohol, or isopropyl alcohol rather, and then we'll put it back in the shell to try it out. Here, I'm trying to get a look at it there. It's actually a smaller switch than the original one. It's just on another board. They didn't make these back in the day, and they finally do now, so it's kind of nice. Okay. First thing we're gonna do is clean this off, or that flux off. I know this isn't a very good soldering job, but hopefully it'll work. And if not, those pads are destroyed. And if I could figure out where those were, I could wire them. I'm not sure I could though. It's really small. Never done anything like that. So now we're gonna put it back in the shell, or the back part of the shell, at least, just to test it. Or actually, just do the whole shebang. I'm gonna put it back. I'm not gonna screw it together until we know it works. But stripping cable's being extra difficult today. Yay. Come on, go in. Go on in. Slide on in. Sorry for the bad angle or camera work, whatever you want to call it. Okay, that's in. So next is power switch. Oh my God, I am struggling. There we go. It doesn't reach. It doesn't touch. Oh well, we can fix that in a minute. We'll just try it like this. Turn it on. The battery should hold the shell together. And we'll get a pair of tweezers to turn it on. If it turns on. Let me get a pair of tweezers. Let's put it in the game. Ooh, you're falling over. Stop falling over. And let's... Where is it at? I can't even see it. Hold on, I'm gonna have to do this off camera. Well, oh my God. Where's the contrast? That worked. Holy cow, that worked. Okay, so next thing is we just gotta put it flatter on the board. Okay, so we gotta figure something out for the switch. Oh, okay, Gray. Jesus, don't be stupid. You got the game in still. Hopefully I didn't damage nothing. I don't think I did, but Yeah, no, I didn't. Okay. We should be good. Stop falling over. Apologies. But yeah, it's not sitting flat enough on the board for some reason. So, I'll go see if I can't get it to sit flatter on the board. I won't make y'all watch that. But yeah, and then I'll show y'all the final thing once it's done. Dope. And here we have it. All put back together. Got the game in, 2 batteries. Yeah, all I did was I flattened that out. I just had to desolder it a little bit and flatten it down. Wasn't a big deal. So here we go. Let's try this out. Got Solar Striker in there. Oh, yeah. Well, you see that works. Let's try another game. Pokemon Gold. Seems to work. Yeah. I love the intros to these old Pokemon games. Simple yet unique and kind of cool, actually. It's honestly amazing what they could do with such like little power in a little handheld. Just 8 bits. I don't remember ever playing this game, so I guess I did at some point, because yeah, don't care about the time. And that's right anyways. I know it's not. Hold on, what the fart, dude? I don't care if the clock's time may be wrong. Oh yeah, I remember what I did was I got far enough in this game to where I could trade. That way I could trade with my some other game to evolve on a Champ or an Alakazam or something. Sentret, Pidgey, and Cyndaquil. So yeah, dope. It works. And yeah. See y'all in the next one.